To send gift cards on Cash App, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Cash App dashboard and tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile menu where you can access various features and settings. From the profile menu, select the option to send a gift. This will guide you through the process of purchasing and sending a gift card to your recipient. You can choose from a wide range of popular brands and merchants, such as Amazon, Starbucks, and Target. To proceed, select the gift card you want to send and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. You can also add a personal message to make the gift more special. Next, choose the gift card amount and select your payment method. You can use your Cash App balance, linked bank account, or credit card to pay for the gift. After confirming the details, review the gift card information to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, tap the Send button to complete the transaction. The gift card will be sent to the recipient's email address or phone number, and they can redeem it at the specified merchant. When sending gift cards on Cash App, keep in mind that the recipient must have a Cash App account to receive the gift. Additionally, gift cards are subject to certain terms and conditions, such as expiration dates and usage restrictions. It is essential to review these terms before sending a gift card to avoid any potential issues. To avoid any errors or delays, make sure to double-check the recipient's contact information and the gift card details before sending. It is also a good idea to notify the recipient that they will be receiving a gift card from you, so they can be on the lookout for it. In conclusion, sending gift cards on Cash App is a quick and convenient way to show your appreciation and care for someone. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful gift-giving experience for both you and the recipient.